To be able to transfer your photos and videos from iPhone to USB stick, you will need a USB OTG adapter. So insert the USB stick into the adapter and then connect the adapter to your iPhone. Now, while you're on the Photos app, tap on Select and then tap on the first photo and then drag your finger across and then drag your finger down to keep selecting all the photos and videos. And then tap on the Share button. Scroll down and here you could see the option called Save to Files. Tap on it. Then iPhone would start preparing depending on the number of files, how big your videos were. It can actually take a very long time, the preparing process. So I recommend you before transfer, go to your settings under the display and brightness, change your auto lock from 30 seconds to never so that while iPhone is preparing, it would not fall asleep. Note, for my 30 photos and videos, iPhone took 30 minutes just for preparing. Then tap on back to come out of any folder that you are in until you get to the browse. Find the name of your USB stick. Mine is called No Name. Tap on it to open it. I've already created a few folders. So I open an empty folder, folder number 3, and then tap on Save. Now only iPhone would start saving your photos and videos to your USB stick. This part took around 6 minutes, which is much shorter than the previous step for preparing, and the screen totally disappears without any notifications whatsoever. For example, it doesn't say the number of photos and videos that were successfully saved, and it automatically unselects the photos and videos that you have already transferred. So you will need to remember which photos and videos you have already transferred. So you will need to manually check it by going to your Files app. Tap on back from whichever folder you're in to go to the browse and then open your USB stick. Go to the folder that you have just saved your photos and videos and then tap on the 3 dots and then tap on select and then tap on select all and make sure the same number of photos and videos that you had selected are saved, and open a video to test if it is playing properly. And open a photo also to test that it is transferred okay. In the similar way, test a few photos and videos to make sure everything is copied properly, and then close your Files app and any photos or videos that you have opened and then unplug your USB adapter. If for some reason iPhone doesn't detect your USB stick, then watch my other video on how to connect USB stick to iPhone. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.